Butcher's knot. Rapidly tied knot to prepare meat for roasting or salting.
Let's learn how to tie a butcher's knot. Wrap the twine around the meat so the ends are close to you. Place the bottom twine through the middle of your right hand with your palm facing up. Close your fingers around it like a fist. Stick out your right hand pointer and middle fingers. Keep a hold of the twine with your ring and pinky fingers. Using your left hand, wrap the top twine section over the two right hand fingers that are sticking out. Pull the string under the fingers and away from you back towards the meat. With your right hand fingers remaining pointed, rotate those fingers down and under the twine you're holding in your right palm and then over the top twine. Pinch the tag end of the other end of the twine and pull it through the loop. Grab the short end with your left hand and the long end with your right hand, and then pull the long end down towards you to tighten the knot. And then in a quick jerky motion, pull the long end to lock the knot in place. Using your right hand, grab the long end of the twine. Stick out your pointer and middle fingers on your left hand with your palm facing up. Using your right hand, wrap the twine over those two left hand fingers. Move the two left hand fingers down and away from you to create a loop. Grab the other tag end of the twine and pull it through the loop. Pull the two ends down tight to finish that knot, snip off the ends, and you're done.